The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch?
Dance. Blessings. This is a video for all the fans and well-wishers. I just want to thank you for coming out of Summer Sizzle and enjoying yourself and everything. Yeah, I don't want to feel disappointed in the last part because 6 of them never come out. Alright, here go on now. See it? We have promoted the show for 4 months. 6 is on the show. We talk to Squash personally, come go to some fest and see him backstage going him and go talk to him and everything and thing. Talk to every and every day give him the whole reason and everything. See it? Alright, when we put Squash on the show now, then everybody from 6 says not one man, not 6. So all I 6 them have to dip on the show. So we say alright, it's 6 not deuces. Boom, I will put everybody on the show. Mary Turner. Then I see a release come out today from Chronic Law. My lord, me tell me something, my lord. I know you do damage control, but don't damage yourself, my lord. Don't do that. Don't be an idiot, my lord. It's because you put it there. You know, this is what I'm saying. Just know the self, brethren, and understand the self. Because we not beg no friend. See? We not busy if me and your friend and that and me do chat. Because, yeah, we love know when you do. I mean, I do not badness to me because we are little boy. And we have to know yourself. Respect who no come see in the business because we are here before you and we're going to be here when you come. See? So you just try to know these things. So, to all of the people them, we don't do false promotion. If we never get no authorization, no man that say we are going forward, we would not promote our artists. We not do that. See? So, when you can say what I want to say, again, I just want to say thanks to all the fans and well-wishers and everybody come out who enjoy themselves and full enjoy themselves and the show was nice. Without the 6, apologize to your fans then. Don't go like you want to disrespect man because man I do the right thing. Man I do music for people, man I keep stage show that people can full enjoy themselves. I and you never spoken before. Me don't even know you, me never see you yet. One time I see you and I stayed up. But we and you have an agreement. You have my office and my business partners have an agreement. So if we are work with it, just work with it. Don't try to disrespect it, my lad. Because I want to do it. We never disrespect, you know. We are promoting it for 4 months. So if we never that forward, we could have forward out and say we never that do it. Remember say it up on your fan page, you know. Where you put up your picture, say it up on Summer Sizzle, it up on your fan page. So if your fans then remember the reason why they were coming to Summer Sizzle is because you put it there. You know, this is what I'm saying. Just know the self, brethren, and understand the self. Because we not beg no friend. See? We not busy if me and your friend and that and me do chat.
Viewers and subscribers, the video we see right this a while ago, it shows of a man that is known as Beenie Man. Need no introduction really. You know, well known. And this video seems to be a video that is responding to a group or a team that is known as 6. Right, and it's also showing appreciation to the fans that attended his show that is known as Summer Sizzle. Now, the video we see a while ago, it has been said out there on social media that Beenie Man disrespect the 6 or the group that is called 6. You see? And there's also a text message that comes from the one that is known as Chronic Law from the group that is called 6, and in that text message, what has been said in the text message seems to be somewhat of an issue between payment that might have caused the artists for not attending the show which is known as Summer Sizzle, because in that text, and I'm going to say it in my words because the words that are text in the text are kind of broken, but in that text there's a part of it that says that artists book for show, artists will get a deposit. There's another part of it that says that Chronic Law never booked for Summer Sizzle. There's a part of it that says that it seems to me like he was told that if the show go on good, he'll get a thing. And there's a part of it that in the text that says that me now look for good name. So it seems to me like it was somewhat of a money issue that might have caused the group that is known as 6 to not have attended the show which is known as Summer Sizzle, which is Beenie Man show. You know the thing already. So viewers and subscribers, you don't see the things set already. Me just keep on up to date and posting them. I couldn't know what going out there. So it has been said that Beenie Man disrespect the group name 6, and this is some pieces of video put together to let you get a better understanding of what going on. Alright, so do take a listen and I'll go up and you can tell me what you think. You see? But anyways, you know the thing already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?